Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I just going to show how to make the reverse indent on your Google Docs. So first, you just need to select the paragraph that you want to make it as reverse indent. So I just going to select this particular paragraph. Then you just need to move the left indent on the margin ruler. Just move it according to your spacing. So after moving, just unclick it or click it on any here on the page. Then you can see your triangle and a ball. You just need to select the first line indent. Just move the line according to your wish. Now you can see the first line is starting from here and the second line will be from here. So by this option you can make your reverse indent option or first line indent option, so according to what you use. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you, just like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.